Welcome to IGCSE Max. I am Rudilal, your Max mentor. Today the video is about the geometry. One video I already uploaded. This is the second part of geometry, that is polygon. You carefully watch the video till end. If you like this, share to your friends and others. If you not subscribe the video, I recommend it to you. Please subscribe the video and stay tuned with us at GCSE Mathematics for better performance. I expect your comments, your opinions as a comment, whatever it is, negative or positive. I expect your positive or negative opinions. So let us start our video. Polygons. What is polygon? Polygon means more than three sides figure, geometric figure. Polygon means three or more than three geometric figures. Three sides of the geometric figure. Three sides of the geometric. We can see that this is three-sided geometric figure. It is known as triangle. What is this? This is four-sided geometric figure. It is called a rectangle or square, whatever it is. For mainly, it is known as a rectangle. From the rectangle only, we are discussing about the square. Then what is this? Three sides, four sides, next to five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What it is? Five side is coming pentagon. What is next? Six side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is six side figure, that is hexagon. 8 side means octagon. 10 side means pentagon. Like this, the names are there. So mainly important figures are triangle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, like this. In this chapter, we have to find the interior angle of these figures and what are the exterior angles. Then we can discuss one method for how to find the interior angle or exterior angle. For example, listen here, this is the triangle, this is the triangle, the least polygon, first polygon, least polygon, because three sides having a closed figure. Two sides means it is not a closed, it is not a polygon. So three sides coming means polygon. What is the interior angle? Interior angle, we know that is equal to 180. We know that is 180. Then what is, we are drawing a rectangle. A rectangle we are converted into two triangles. One triangle and two triangles. This is 180, this is 180. So what is the interior angle? 2 into 180. 2 into 180. Then we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side. This is, we can draw like this. Now how many triangle? 1, 2, 3 triangle. So sum of the interior angle is equal to 3 into 180. What is hexagon? We can draw 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangle we can draw. That is equal to 4 into 180. This is 1 into 180 then. This is what triangle is 1 into 180. A rectangle is equal to 2 into 180. Pentagon is equal to 3 into 180. Hexagon is equal to 4 into 180. Likes going on. So then we can make a table. Here number of sides 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to n. Then what is the sum of the interior angles? We just now saw that they are, what is the 3? 3 is equal to 1 into 180. 4 side rectangle, that is equal to 2 into 180. When there are 5 side, we draw like this 3 into 180. 6 is equal to 4 into 180. 7 is equal to 5 into 180. 7 sides. 8 side means 6 into 180. Then what is the end side? End side. What is here? 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8, 6. That is difference is 2. So we can write n side is equal to n minus 2 into 190. Sum of the interior angle for the n side polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 190. So here are some 4 figures: triangle, rectangle, pentagon and hexagon. I marked angle exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. So any figure, any polygon, the total sum of the exterior angle is always 360. Any figure, the sum of the exterior angle is equal to 360. Here what is the exterior angle? A plus B plus C is equal to 360. Here A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. Here A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 360. So A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Both are 5 pentagon only. So this is you can draw another figure. A, B, C, D, E, F. A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to this. Any polygons, the sum of the exterior angle is always 360. This is the property. Based on the property, we can do some problems. First problem. Calculate the number of sides of a rectangular regular polygon whose exterior angle is 40. One regular polygon given, his one of the exterior angle is equal to 40. We know that sum of the exterior angle is equal to always 360. Sum of the exterior angle is equal to always 360. Then one angle is 40 degree. Then divided by 40. And we get the answer 9 sides. So calculate the number of regular polygon. Regular polygon means all sides are equal, all interior angles are equal. So the regular polygon means 9 sides have. Why? Because the total angle always 360. One angle is 40. Then 360 divided by 40 is equal to 9 sides. 90. This is the way for finding the calculate the number of sides using exterior angle. Next problem. Calculate the number of sides of a regular polygon whose interior angles are each is given 156. Here finding the same question. Calculate the number of sides, but given is interior angle. Before problem given exterior angle. So we can directly divide by exterior angle. We can get this number of sides. Here same number of sides want to say find, but the given is interior angle is equal to 156. So one interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 190. Why? Because this is the exterior angle, this is the interior angle. A and B's are ABs are the linear pairs. The first video I explained these things, linear pair. So this is A plus B. So one interior angle and its exterior angle, sum of this angle is equal to 190. So one interior angle is equal to 156. So interior angle 156 plus exterior angle is equal to 190. So what is exterior angle? 180 minus 156. 24. So exterior angle is equal to 24. Exterior angle getting means we can easily find the number of sides. That is equal to 360 divided by 24, 15 numbers, 15 sides of a regular polygon. So regular polygon has 15 sides. Clear? Next problem. Next question. In a regular polygon, each interior angle is 140 degree greater than the each exterior angle. Calculate the number of each side. First question we done using the exterior angle. Second question they are given interior angle. We find the exterior angle. This question they are not given the interior angle and exterior angle. Not given the interior angle and exterior angle. They are given the relation between the exterior and the relation. Exterior and interior. In each interior angle is 140 greater than each exterior angle. So we can write exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to x. What is interior angle? Interior angle x plus 140. Exterior angle x means interior angle is 140 degree greater than, that is more than x plus 140. We before the problem we discussed the sum of the interior and exterior is equal to 190. So is using that x plus 140 is equal to say 180. That is the linear pairs. That is equal to 2x is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40. X is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. What is x? X is a exterior angle. For finding the number of sides we need exterior angle. So we go to the 20 degree. So number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 30. That is equal to 18 number. Clear? Next problem. Next step and the last question for this video. If you understood the video, you understand the video, please like it, thumbs up, make a thumbs up. And if you not subscribed, should be subscribed. And share your opinion as a comment. Don't forget this. Please listen to the question. Two sides of a regular pentagon are produced to form an angle x. Find x. This is the x. Pentagon. Pentagon means how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So how many sides pentagon? 5 sides. So what is the interior angle? What is the exterior angle coming? This is the exterior angle. What is the sum of the exterior angle is equal to 360. So 360 divided by 5. That means one exterior angle we are getting. One exterior angle we are getting. So 360 by 5. How much? That is equal to 72. This is 72. Exterior angle is equal to 72. This is also 72. This is also 72. Exterior angle. Then what is this? This is a triangle. This is the triangle. First lesson we explained that triangle is the sum of the interior angle is equal to 190. So what are the interior angle? X plus 72 plus 72 is equal to 190. X is equal to 190 minus 72 plus 72 144. That is equal to 144 is 150. 36. Yeah. X is equal to 36. So once again, thanks to one and all. Please stay with us and continue supporting IGCSE Maths for better performance. Thank you, one and all.